Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. As you can see, I'm in a totally different setting and I currently have orange hair, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got these results with no dye, no bleach, no color. I used the Curlsmith Hair Makeup in the color Copper. I am currently away for work-related reasons, and I really decided I wanted to switch it up. I've been a little bit tired of my blonde, and I wanted some color now that spring is upon us, and I'm just obsessed. I'll share with you guys my thoughts on this compared to the hair color wax. Tell you how I feel about this. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. If you're new here, my name is Glory, and on this channel we talk about curls, beauty, and self-care. If any of those topics interest you, make sure to go down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And let's just get right into this video. So a little bit about this product. It is hair makeup. It's not like a wax. This is a temporary color styling gel, and it's supposed to rinse in one wash. Vegan, of course, cruelty-free, no silicones, and curly girl friendly. Like I said, I've been super tired of my blonde hair, and I've been really just wanting to switch it up. I also wanted something different, but without the commitment. I recently purchased this product on my Ulta haul video. Either has come out or should come out next week. I purchased this product, and this has been something that I've been wanting to try for a while, and finally spring is upon us. I'm just so excited to show you guys how I use this product. Quick disclaimer, since my previous video a lot of people had some comments about it. My hair is platinum blonde, so the color payoff will be much different than someone with darker hair. So just keep that in mind, that your color, if you have darker hair, might not come out as vibrant as mine. I just felt like I needed to say that before some people attacked me in the comments. Your results might not look like mine. Let's just get right into the video. So first off, I am going to be starting with freshly washed clean hair. I'm also going to section my hair off just to make sure that I don't miss any spots, especially on my roots. This does say that you can use it with a leave-in before the color to keep girls hydrated. So that's what I did. I used my Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner and applied it throughout my hair just to make sure that my hair was nice and hydrated, because from my experience with the hair color wax, my hair got super unbelievably dry sometimes. So I would need to make sure that I use a leave-in under it just to keep my hair moisturized. And just for some added hold, I went in with the Hold Me Softly Style Balm. I have the travel size here since I am away on business. I'm just the type of person to always use a styling cream in my routine, and since this product is a gel, I still wanted to do my usual routine of a leave-in, a cream, and then a gel. So I went in with the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, rake that throughout my hair and just make sure that my hair was coated enough, and then I went ahead and applied the hair makeup. So this product is meant to be transfer resistant for all hair colors, no gloves needed, and rinses in one wash. It has apricot, orange peel, pumpkin, and carrot. It says to apply on damp, detangled hair, divide the hair in sections, rake a generous amount through each section, scrunch to help curls spring, air dry or diffuse, then scrunch again to break the cast. This product did retail for $19.99, and it is a pretty small bottle, so I was a bit afraid of how much product I would need since my hair is pretty thick. Now, something off the bat that I noticed after applying it was the color payoff was crazy. Like, I barely even put much on my hand, and it literally just started sitting on my hair so well and so pigmented. I really loved how much of the color payoff was, so I was very pleased by that already. It didn't have no crazy waxy tough feeling on the hair, which is what I experienced with the hair color wax that I don't really like so much about it. I feel like it's really inexpensive, it's cheap for a reason, so this product really surprised me. So I went ahead and repeated that throughout all of the sections on my hair, and I started to notice my hair was drying, but it wasn't like a crunchy dry. It was more of like a softer hold, and I really loved how my hair was looking, and I had to just go in and go on the parts where I was missing the roots because I just didn't want to look crazy and splotchy. So I just went back in and just made sure that everything was good all throughout my hair. Basically just repeating the same thing throughout each section, applying the leave-in, the cream, and then the gel, which is the curl makeup. Now, as you guys can see, I am using the Shop Ponyfly detangling brush to actually style my hair, and the reason for that is I forgot my Denman brush. Although I haven't been really reaching for my Denman as much, I've been using a different sort of Denman brush. I just didn't pack it, so I had to style with this brush, and it did surprisingly well at styling my hair. I'm actually very surprised. So I went ahead in with a little bit more of the Curlsmith Hair Makeup just to make sure that there was no spots, and I also just used it to scrunch my hair a bit. As you guys can see, the color payoff is amazing and my hair did not feel sticky or tacky whatsoever. So let's just get right into the results. These are my results. This is currently how my hair is looking literally the next day. I've not noticed much of the color coming off of my hands as I've been playing around with it all day long. I do have to say that although it is a gel, it is not a hard gel whatsoever. I did not feel a cast at all. So I did go in the In-Shower Styler Fixer from Curlsmith Moisture Recipe line just to make sure that my hair stayed put, because although it was a gel, it was a very light hold. I did not get a cast whatsoever. So if you don't like hold, you might really like this product. But if you do like hold, I do recommend using a strong hold gel on top. But my curls are very soft, very touchable, very flowy. I really love how it came out. I do have to say that because I'm so platinum blonde, I had to also used half the bottle. So now I know, like, when it comes to this product, I'll only get about like 3 uses out of it. So that kind of sucks. I really wanted to make sure that I got all the roots, all of the pieces that were in there that were blonde, because I didn't want it to look like all splotchy. But it is fun to play with color, so I'm really excited. I do like the feel of this a lot more than the hair color wax, although the hair color wax does give me a nice hold, a really nice cast. This one doesn't transfer as much. Like literally this color is so pigmented on my blonde curls and there's no transfer. And I do feel like the hair color wax has, since it does contain, I believe, beeswax, the buildup is a little bit more noticeable. So this one, I don't feel like there's much buildup at all. Like I said, my hair feels very free, very airy, not thick at all. Doesn't feel like there's a lot of product buildup, so that's really nice. I can see myself buying another one of these. I definitely want to try the pink one and the blue one. You guys are gonna see a lot, me doing so many different colors this summer, this spring. I am not playing. It's a little bit messy, but that's why I had a shirt that I didn't really care about on, and it did wash out of that shirt perfectly. Like there was no staining. Compared to the color wax, I feel like certain shirts would definitely get stained. You guys think I should go orange? I don't feel like I could ever do this color like permanent. I feel like it would be so hard to get out, and I don't know, I just really love how I look with blonde hair. Although this is so pretty and it's really nice to switch it up sometimes. Like I got a ton of compliments today on this hair, so I'm just very pleased. I'm gonna keep this in my hair for about 2 to 3 days just to see how well it stays in my hair, and then we'll probably leave right here how long it lasted and if it faded at all, and also how easy it was to get out. It's just fun to know that I can play around with colors and there won't be so much like color coming off. Like I could do a different look every other week in the summer or something, mix it up, do some cute different looks without any commitment. It literally washed out of my hands in less than a couple seconds. I didn't even use soap, so I can imagine once I wash this off, it will literally just come right off. Overall, I think this product was such a win, and pairing it with the leave-in conditioner and the styling balm, was perfect, and then adding the in-shower styler fixer on top really sealed it for me. Overall, I'm so pleased with this product. You have to get your hands on it if you want to play around with color without the commitment. This is amazing. I do prefer this more than the color wax because of the feel. It's so much more flowy. It's perfect for the spring, for the summer. I'm just really feeling how my hair feels, and without any color coming off on my hands, that is such a plus. Like, I haven't had no color come off at all on any of my clothes, nothing. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked today's video, make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. Go down below and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to turn on your notifications so you know when I post my next video. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!